Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to set a profile picture in Windows 10. Friends, there are different ways how to set a profile picture in Windows 10. Let us see how to set these and try all methods. First of all, go to Start, then Settings. Here we see profile is without pic. Then we go to Accounts. Friends, here you see no profile picture is attached. Now we try to insert a picture or update a picture to our profile. Create your picture. Friends, here are two methods. We can create picture through camera, or we can browse for one. Browse for one means we already have picture in our computer and we will get that picture from our system. Friends, here you see I set a profile picture and it's showing here. This is one method of insert a profile picture to our user in Windows 10. Here we see some other methods. Go to control panel, click on it, then go to user accounts. Friends, here you see the picture is which we attached in last step are shown here. We can click on make changes to my account in PC setting. When we click on it, then we go to same step we have already gone through and set a profile picture. Friends, another method which is used most of the time. Sometime our Windows is not activated and we cannot set profile picture or make changes to our themes and some other things. I will tell you a small trick how we can set a profile picture without activating Windows or without activation. Let's see. Program data, then Microsoft, then user account pictures. Friends, here all types of user account pictures are available. We can change, we can put here any picture which we want to set our profile. Here you see here we have different types of picture. User 32 by 32 dimension profile, 40 by 40 and 48 by 48, and then 192. Here you see our guest, here a picture available for guest user, and then guest, and then other our user which we have already created. We can just place picture here and then we see that this picture will be on our profile. First of all, we will remove picture from our profile. Friends, this is the basic picture. This is the main picture which are used in the profile, and its extension is .png. How we can show extensions? Go to profile, folder option, go to folder option, then go to view tab, then go to hidden folder and files and folder, then click on hide extension for known type. Now our extension, now all extensions are shown, and if we want to disable or hide extension, then we click on it and the extensions are hidden. We can also here a file name extension. If we check this option, then all file options are shown, and if we uncheck, then all options are gone. This is the easiest way to hide or unhide extensions or hide items and different types. Friends, this profile picture is also shown on profiles like or against the name, and if more than one profile are created on this system, then more than one user are also showing here, and their picture are also showing if we set these. Friends, this is all about the user profile pictures and how we to add this picture in user profile. I think this will be very helpful for you. For more informative and good videos, please like and subscribe my channel. No, okay, bye.